in Peckham today asking people about their favourite struggle meal. Let's see what they say. What is your favourite struggle meal?
Rice and sardine with
What's it called in your country?
Lafidi. Lafidi, exactly.
Okay, alright, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay guys, I got up to £10 to cook the struggle meal. Let's see how I do. First we need okra, jakato, pepper. How much is this? £1. Your pepper's a bit weak, broski. That's why it's £1. My mum would cuss me if she saw me buying this. I'm making struggle meal. Gary? No. What's that? What's guli guli? You eat meat when you don't have money. We gotta go to the Sierra Leonean shop to get kinder. Hi, auntie. This one. All I need is sardine. Cool. Okay, guys, so I spent £3 down there, $6.99 here, so $9.99. Mission accomplished. So let's go cook. If you're an OG, you guys know how much I love Lafidi. Lafidi is a Sierra Leonean dish meaning mixed together. And originally it was a dish with no meat or fish, just vegetables. Because back in the day, farming families used to eat it for sustenance to keep them through the day. And they would call it food of the harvest season. The period between seasons when fish or meat was scarce. So they will cook in large pots for the community. Rice, sesame, kinder, pepper, and all different types of veggies. And it's so simple. You just steam your okra, garden eggs, and pepper. And season to taste. Warm up your oil, cook your rice. Add your kinder or your sesame on the side. And literally that's it. For me, meals like this remind me how creative our people are in times of struggle, managing food so that nobody goes hungry, to the point that now this is not even a struggle meal to me. I eat this on a regular basis. Anyway, if you enjoyed this, give me a rice bowl. Okay, bye.